So guys, Fortnite continues to be a super popular game. There are YouTubers that have created their channels off just this game, and they're probably making a living. They're probably making more money than I'll ever make in my lifetime off this one game, just playing it. So it shows you how popular it is. What I want to check out, we all know that Fortnite Mobile exists for like the iPad or the iPhone. But the problem with a device like this is that there is no like physical controls. It's all just touch controls. It's very hard to get good at if you're used to a console experience. Unfortunately, Fortnite, they have not added official support for controllers yet. They keep saying they will. Some people say it's not fair because that's the whole point of a mobile experience, that everyone has like a fair grounds. What I found that works sometimes is if you use the PS Vita to play Fortnite, you now have a mobile experience with physical controls that makes the experience that much closer to the console. So if you're on the go and you're in a good Wi-Fi connection, you can hook up to your PS4 and play Fortnite Mobile. However, there are a few little flaws in this, which I will cover in the video. So just sit back, relax, and let's get started. So guys, in theory, this should be the ultimate Fortnite mobile experience. This is streaming directly from my PS4 via remote play to the PS Vita. I bet you haven't seen one of these in quite a while. In my opinion, a completely irrelevant device in 2018. But for one thing it's good for is remote play. So you can play your PS4 games anywhere. So as long as you have a PS4 and a PS Vita, you can now play Fortnite Mobile with actual physical controls versus, mobile on an iPad like this. This is a lot harder to control. A few things to keep in mind: that one, I'm not a good player at all, and two, you're going to soon see the downfall of Fortnite on remote play. So you can see, like, it's pretty responsive. Like, it's not really lagging. So as far as that, like, that's really great. The graphics seem to be really good. All the buttons kind of do what they say. But the issue we run into, which I'll show you right now, is that we don't have the R2 and L2 buttons. We only have these. So I'll show you how you have to overcome that. And then to get to the map, you just touch the screen. That's kind of like emulating tapping the touchpad. I can't even freaking see where to go. So you can see, like, I think it performed really good. I really don't want to encounter anybody. I always go to this right here because there's usually always a chest. Okay, to use this, you have to tap the touchpad on the back. Which, as you can see, it took me a while to get it. Like, it doesn't always work. Like, those buttons work just fine. So to switch between your weapons, like, you just hit these buttons up here. So I have my gun, and like to aim down your sights, you have to hit the left touchpad at the top. Like, it's so finicky. Like, I don't know if my touchpad just sucks, but you have to press it more so like in the middle. Like, this is where I'm touching, right there. And then the fire, it's the same thing. Like, I can't even hold it right. And then the fire, you just touch there. Which I don't think I could ever kill anybody because it's so freaking hard. Oh gosh, we're like right in the middle of the storm or in the safe zone. I don't want to encounter anybody. Yeah, you have to hold it so weird. I think I could maybe at least do some damage on somebody. You just have to, like, I'm going to get carpal tunnel holding this. I mean, once you get used to the placement, it's okay. But it's not ideal. And the problem is, Like, this isn't Fortnite Mobile, so you're not playing against people that have iPhones and iPads. You're playing against people that have normal PS4s, and they're using the full controllers and the full controller experience. Like, I think this is an okay proof of concept, but unless the PS Vita can be like modded to get the R2 and L2 controller, which there are products I've seen that you snap on this and it will add the extra buttons. You would have to do that. I'll actually even link in the description below to the controller or the modification I've seen. It's like $20 or $30 if you buy that. It should also work with your Vita. I've managed to survive to 32. I haven't wanted to go anywhere to fight anybody. Yeah, even building is like a pain in the butt. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. You have to like hold down at the right exact spot on the back. Wait, is that somebody? No. I can't even snipe, so if I killed someone like this, it'd be a miracle. Yeah, I pretty much feel myself getting carpal tunnel as we speak. I'm actually getting the hang of where to tap. Like, you have to put your fingers so far in the middle though. So like to snipe, oh my God, I just fell. Okay, well, there's that. So basically what I was saying, like to snipe, you have to almost tap like right here on this side, and then to shoot, you'd have to tap here on this side. So having both of your fingers in like that to control it, it's almost impossible to put these fingers right here. It's so uncomfortable, like it wouldn't work. So yeah, like I said, there is a adapter you can put on this that should help you out. Honestly, it's not the best experience. The only good thing going for it is the actual physical controls. If you can make it work, go for it. If not, and you want to do Fortnite Mobile, just stick to an iPhone or an iPad for now. So there we go, guys. That was my Fortnite video on the PS Vita. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you now realize the pros and cons of it. It's not for everybody, and it doesn't really work that good. But if you enjoyed this video, nonetheless, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying so hard to get 100,000 subscribers this year. We are at 64,000 subscribers, so not too many more to 100,000. It just takes a few good videos and a few nice people like you to subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.